Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Remember on this channel, I always review my trade setup and my trade pair. So on this video, I'll be teaching loss size calculation, how to use a loss size very well. On our previous video, we did leverage. Yeah, and I hope that video was helpful to you. So if the video was helpful to you, don't forget to please share our video so that it's recommended to more people, so that more people will get to notice this channel and like this video. And tell me in your comment in the comment section, how do you rate this video? Is it worth it? You get me now? If the video is not worth it, then we need to know how to improve on our video. Yeah, I think that's necessary. Yeah. So on loss size calculation, I will teach you people how to calculate loss size very well. So first of all, before you calculate loss size, you need to first of all know what is leverage and which leverage are you using. If your leverage is small, then you have to increase your loss size. If your leverage is high, you have to decrease your loss size. That is how it works. Let's take for example now, if you are trading a $1,000 account, do you get me now? If you are using a leverage of 1:1,000, you already know that your maximum leverage on that account of $1,000 account should be one loss size. Yeah, it should be 10 loss size. So 10 loss size means that if you place 10 loss size and that trade goes against you by 10 pips, you blow the account. That is exactly what it means. So now, how does loss size works? Okay, when you're using 0.01 loss size, if a trade moves by 1 pip, just shift your decimal point by one position. So per 1 pip for someone using 0.01, you'll be getting or losing 0.1. You get me now? So 0.1 times how many pips the trade moved in your favor. So personally, if you notice on my trade, I don't use any this thing stop loss that is more than 15 pips. My maximum is 15 pips per each trade position. So that is how I use my this in risk management and all when I'm trading. So when I'm taking out at 15 pips, I think I'm done already. So when it comes to loss size properly now, you already know that any loss size you are using, just move the decimal point. If there is no decimal point, add 0 to the back of that digit. So if you are using one loss size, per 1 pip you're making $10. If you're using 50 loss size, per 1 pip you're making $500. You get me now? Just if there is no decimal, add 0. If there is a decimal, move the decimal point by one place. You get me? That's how to calculate this thing. So if you know your stop loss size, you get me now? Stop loss size means how much you are risking in a trade. That is where you calculate how much. So if you're using 20 pips loss, 20 pips stop loss, and you're using one standard loss size, so it means that per 1 pip you'll be getting or losing $10, right? So for 20 pips, it means 10 times 20. You get me, which is $200. So it means that if that stop loss should be triggered, you lose $200 in that position. You get me now? So this will help you to know, actually, should I use this loss size? You get me now? Then when it comes to relationship between your leverage and your loss size, now you already know that you need $100 to place one loss size in 1:1,000 leverage. You get me now? So know your account size, know your stop loss size, then know which loss size you should risk per any trade position. You get me now? And one thing I want to teach you people now is like a psychology tips. Whenever you want to enter a position, no matter how sure, no matter how good the setup is, for you to be in a good state, for you to be in that robust state, for you to be in that monk mode when you trade, you need to risk something manageable. If you are trading a $200 account, I will advise that you don't risk $50 per one trade position. Don't risk $50 per one trade idea. You get me now? If you do that and that stop loss is triggered, you will not feel all right. You get me now? So that is it for that stop loss calculation and tips calculation. You get me now? So I hope this video was helpful, and if you want to see a backup video on this same loss size calculation and leverage, so help me in the comment section to know your thoughts on this video, and I hope that this video was helpful. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video so that it's recommended to more people from YouTube and outside YouTube. So see you on our next video. Bye. Jovianking 3.